Your MCP server is running without authentication. The dangerous default in the Model Context Protocol left every tool, resource, and prompt exposed. No bearer tokens, no OAuth, no mTLS, nothing. The spec shipped without authorization for 2 years. The 2026 0728 update finally fixed this. But almost nobody has actually turned it on. Let me show you what this means and exactly how to lock it down. When you run an MCP server, it listens on stdio or localhost. Auth is optional. Everything is optional. And optional in security means no. If a malicious MCP server gets loaded, say in a pull request, it reads your environment variables, your API keys, your entire file system. The July 28th spec introduced the full OAuth 2.0 authorization framework. Not a suggestion. A real protocol. Bearer tokens. Token introspection. Authorization headers. And mTLS identity. Here is what is actually now in the spec. Every MCP request carries an authorization header. Servers validate tokens via introspection endpoints. OAuth 2.0 client credentials is the primary Auth pattern. mTLS with X509 client certificates is supported. And resource-level authorization gates live on the server. Let me show you the minimum implementation. This is real code, a FastAPI middleware that validates bearer tokens. Every request hits this before any tool call. Missing token is HTTP 401. Invalid token is HTTP 403. Every tool call, every resource read, every prompt gets checked. You can enforce per tool authorization too. The tool calls list changed stream carries the scopes. Now the spec borrows from OAuth 2.0. The client credentials grant type. Your client sends client ID and client secret to a token endpoint. Gets back an access token, expiry, and optionally a refresh token. The MCP server validates the token against your auth server. Every request. Or you cache the introspection with a short TTL. Here is the config. An auth block inside your MCP server config. Type OAuth 2, client credentials, token URL. It just works. If your server is on the open internet, bearer tokens alone are not enough. You need mutual TLS. Every transport connection carries X509 certificates. The client proves identity before any token is checked. This stops man-in-the-middle attacks on the token itself. Now the ugly part. Most MCP servers right now do not do any of this. Let me show you what scanning reveals. Run mcp-doctor against a random MCP server. Bearer tokens none. OAuth not configured. mTLS disabled. Across the servers I have scanned this week, fewer than 60% enforce any auth at all. And among those, most are just checking for a non-empty authorization header, not validating the token. Here is the 1-hour hardening recipe. Step 1. Add the bearer token middleware. 15 minutes. Step 2. Wire up an OAuth 2 introspection endpoint. Another 15 minutes. Step 3. Configure your TLS termination with mTLS. 20 minutes. Step 4. Run mcp-doctor against your server. 5 minutes. Step 5. Add an auth policy file that maps scopes to tools. 5 minutes. 1 hour. That is it. Your server goes from wide open to properly locked down. Run mcp-doctor on your MCP server now. Free open source link in the description. Grab the Claude MCP starter kit too. It has working Auth middleware wired in. If this was useful, like and subscribe. I am Will from the Agent Lab. I build AI agents and MCP servers that actually run. Thanks for watching.